So 12th standard zoology, sex determination in human being. Sex determination in human being. In human being, so there are 46 chromosomes are present. 46 chromosomes are present. So the 46 chromosomes so occur in a 23 pairs of chromosomes. The 46 chromosomes occur in a 23 pairs. Among the 23 pairs, 22 pairs of chromosome, they involving the determination of the bodily character. So it is called a body chromosomes. So other is called a autosome. So 22 parts of chromosome do determine the bodily character. So it is called a body chromosome or autochromosomes. So 23rd pair so determine the sex. To determine the sex. The 23rd pair, both of them are identical. It means both of them are identical. It means they are in a XX. They become to female character. The 23rd pair chromosomes, identical chromosome. The homologous chromosomes become identical. It is called a female. But the 23rd pair, so they are in a dissimilar. It is called XY chromosomes. XY chromosomes to determine the male character. Here the XY means they have a representation. But both the chromosomes are identical. Same structure. It is called a female. They have a different structure. It is called a male. So the body character in a male, so 44 plus XY. Why they become the 46 chromosome here? Here they are in a diploid nature, 2n. It is they have a bodily character. Is a body chromosomes. So it is called 44 X and X. It means 44 AA plus XY. But in a female, 44 AA plus XX. Here the 44 AA plus XY. Here the 44 AA plus XX. Here the meiosis cell divisions are occurred. Meiosis cell divisions are occurred. So the diploid condition is converted into haploid condition. So the haploid condition means all the chromosomes are occurred, they occur in an unpaired condition. It means 22A plus X, one gamete. So another one is called 22A plus Y. So the two type of gametes, it is called heterogametic. So two type of gamete. So it is called a heterogametic. Here they have a haploid. Here they produce only one type of gametes. Means all the gametes are identical. So it is called homogametic. Here they have 22A plus X chromosomes. 22A plus X chromosomes. This sperm cell is fused with egg chromosomes. So 44AA plus XX. Here they have the similar chromosomes are present. So they produce a female child. This sperm cell here fused with the egg cell. Here the 44 AA plus XY chromosomes. Here the 23rd pair they have a different. So it is called a male child. Male child. Here this way. So the which sperm cells are fused with the egg cell? Which sperm cells are fused with the egg cell to determine the young one? X sperm cell is fused with the egg cell. They produce a female child. So the Y chromosome sperm cell fused with the egg cell. They produce a male child. So this way the sex determinations occur in the human being. The similarly, so another sex determination is haplodiploid sex determination. Haploid diploid sex determination. Haploid diploid or haplodiploid sex determination. Haplodiploid sex determination. So mostly they occur in honeybee. And another one is called ants and swabs insects. So the haplodiploid sex determination. So the haploid or haplodiploid sex determination. They occur in honeybee, ants and swabs. But in honeybee, so the male honeybee, so N is equal to 16 chromosome. These animals are haploid. So the males are 16 chromosomes. N. So the male, so N's are 16 chromosome. Is a haploid. But here the female, so 2N is equal to 32 chromosomes. So the male chromosomes, so the male they contain N is equal to 16 chromosomes. So the female, so 2N is 32 chromosomes. So during the gamete formation, so the male undergo mitosis cell division. So the gametes are N is equal to 16. So they are having a male gametes. So the female, so undergo meiosis cell division. So the gamete N is equal to 16 chromosomes. Here the male undergo mitosis and division during the gamete formation. But in the female, so meiosis and division during the gamete formation. Here the female gametes. Both the gametes, so the fertilizations are occur. So 2n is equal to 32 chromosome. So they have a diploid nature. So the diploid means they become to a female young one. The diploid set is, so they convert into female young one. So the female, there are two types of female. One is called the queen bees. Another one is called the worker. So the female, they feed royal jelly. So they become the queen bee. The female, they feed the royal jelly food material. So they become the queen. But the female, they feed the normal food. So they become the worker. What is the main functions of the queen bee? So involving the reproduction, they laying egg. They develop the colony of the honey bee. But unfertilized egg is developed into male. So undeveloped egg is developed into male. So the set of chromosome to determine the sex, or entire set of or entire genome of chromosome to determine the sex. If the egg is become the diploid, they become the female. The egg is become the haploid, they become the young one. It is called a male young one. So this type of phenomenon is called the parthenogenesis. This phenomenon is called parthenogenesis. So this parthenogenesis first discovered by, this phenomenon is also known as skin selection. It is also called skin selection. Thank you very much, students.